Alright, there's another video for 2VT and 2HT about exercise 10, and I chose to explain A, B, C and F actually, not D. First we're going to do A. It says x squared minus 4 equals 12. And you'll notice that there is no x here. It's actually just x squared and a normal number. So I want to explain how that works again. Now if you want, you can make a 0 here, because that's what you do with all the other exercises. And then you have x squared minus 16 equals 0. Now there is a way to factorize that. They explain it somewhere in the book. But I think this exercise can be solved easier without factorizing it. Because you just have x squared minus 16. If you move the 16 to the other side again, you just get x squared equals 16. And if x squared equals 16, that means that x is 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. Or x is minus 4, because minus 4 times minus 4 is also 16. Now exercise B, it looks very similar, only now there's an x here and there's an x there. So that means we get a completely different answer, maybe. So first we're going to make a 0 here. So we have x squared minus 16x equals 0. So the difference is that now we have an x here and here we didn't. This one we can actually factorize easy, because we can put an x in front of the brackets. And then this is what you have. X times x minus 16 equals 0. Then we split it up like x is 0 or x minus 16 is 0, which means that x is 16. And this is the answer for 10b. Moving on to 10c, this one is kind of difficult, because now we have 25x squared here and we have 49 there. Now there was a method in the book that explains that you can factorize this, and let me show you how. You can factorize this by taking the square root of that and the square root of that. The square root of 25x squared is 5x. The square root of 49 is 7, and there you can write down 5x plus 7 and 5x minus 7, because if you work this out you get that again. Now, I actually don't like this. You can work it out further. I'll show you how that works in a moment. But I'm going to show you how I would solve this, because I think that's a lot easier. I would move the 49 to the other side. So you have 25x squared equals 49. And then you subtract this by 25. But don't calculate what it is. Just write it down as a fraction. So like that. And then if you calculate what x is now, you can take the square root of 49 over 25. The square root of 49 is 7 and the square root of 25 is 5. So your answer is 7 over 5. Or the other answer is x is minus 7 over 5. Now you get the same answers if you work that out. If you do that, you say 5x plus 7 equals 0. Then you move the 7 to the other side. And then you divide it by 5. So minus 7 over 5 is one answer. Now the other answer, if you work that out, you're going to get the same as over here. Same as over here. You're going to have 7 over 5. Okay, but I think this is a lot easier than that. Here's another example. We have 8x squared minus 36 equals 36. Now the first thing you want to do is, well, you can make a 0 here if you want. Then we have 8x squared minus 72 equals 0. Now we can't really factorize this. Well, you can put an 8 in front of the brackets, because both of it can be divided by 8. But what I would do here is just move the 72 to the other side again. There you get this. Right? Then we're going to divide it by 8. Then here you get 9. And the square root of 9 is just 3. So x is 3 or x equals minus 3. And this is how you solve that. So thank you for watching. I'll see you later.